Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick video, Nvidia. Nvidia is, I think, potentially the dominant chip stock for the next decade, but right now it's struggling. It's a bear market. The stock's valuation got really wacky. It was trading at like 70 times PE, and as growth slowed even a little bit, it has pulled back. So the stock is down about 58% year to date as of September 26th. The company came out with a new product announcement, and in many ways it was like the company was channeling Field of Dreams. You know Field of Dreams? It's one where James Earl Jones speaks to Kevin Costner and says, "Build it and they will come," and he builds a baseball stadium in his cornfield in Iowa. Great novel, okay movie. Nvidia announced a new set of chips about a week or so ago. These are the GeForce RTX 4000 series. And according to the company's benchmark, you got about a 2 to 4 times performance boost over the last generation. That's the RTX 3000 series. The problem is that you only get that performance boost if you're running a piece of Nvidia software called the DLSS software. That gives you the full ability to access the chip. And if you don't, you get pretty much the same performance you're getting at a relatively big step up in price. There's a lot of games coming that will use this. Nvidia says there are 35 that use the DLSS software coming in October, but right now there's really not much market. So it's a sense of putting a product out there and waiting for the market to catch up to them. This is a really, really huge chip. I don't mean big size, but huge in terms of its processing ability. If you look at trends in AI, this is clearly a chip of the future. Nvidia had to do this. You have to keep your stuff going out there, but it's not going to help the stock in the short term. Right now, let's look at the chart. This is Nvidia for 2022. You can see a big peak here in March, and it's been pretty much down in the dumpster. The problem is Nvidia announces earnings relatively late, so we're not going to see them until October, November in the earnings cycle. So we're going to get earnings, and they're not going to show a bump for this product because this product doesn't really do anything right now. It's build it, and they will come at some point in the future. But right now, Nvidia's got a couple of problems. One is that sales of computer games are off. There have been changes in the crypto market that that damp the demand for big machine chips and machines like this one to run crypto. So the market's just slowing. I think that's likely to continue. I would expect that Nvidia is going to say some fairly negative things about the near-term future. The long-term future is very bright for this company, but we got to get there from here. Thanks very much for watching. This has been Jim Jubak. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we're doing the next one. If you want more of my stuff, including the portfolios, long-term portfolios that includes Nvidia, and comments on like, when do I buy it? When do I sell it? Go to my free site. That's jubakpicks.com. If you go to my paid site, jubakam.com, you'll get even 6 portfolios instead of 3, with more stuff on the downside of this bear market, and protection and ways to do inverse ETFs and other things that go up while the market goes down. Thanks very much for watching.